Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dominator. Let me ask you something very honestly. You understand English, you know grammar, but when it's time to speak in real life, your mind goes blank. If this sounds like you, don't worry. Today's video will change the way you speak English daily.
Exactly, Robert, because today we're not teaching difficult grammar. We're teaching daily English sentences, the kind people actually use in real life. Office, friends, family, shop, phone calls. After this video, you'll be ready for all of it.
Let's start with simple daily routine sentences. Wrong way. I am proceeding to take my breakfast. Real life English. I'm having breakfast. I just woke up. I'm getting ready.
Here's a common mistake. Many learners overthink and try to sound advanced. But remember, simple English equals confident English. Try these sentences today. I'm running late. Give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Now let's talk about casual conversations. Instead of saying, "What are you doing at present?" say this. "What are you up to? How's it going? What's new?"
And if someone asks you a question and you're not sure, don't panic. Use these confidence-saving sentences. Let me think. I'm not sure yet. I'll get back to you. These sentences make you sound natural, not weak.
This part is crucial for office and students. Instead of, "I have a doubt," say, "I have a question. Could you explain this again?" More powerful sentences. "I'm working on it. I'll update you soon. Let's discuss this later."
Big mistake to avoid. Don't translate from your native language. English is not about translation. English is about patterns. Learn full sentences, not single words.
When you're outside, shops, restaurants, travel, use these. "How much is this? Is this available? I'm just looking, thanks. Can I pay by card?"
And if you don't understand something, never say, "I don't know English." Say this instead. "Could you say that again, please? A little slowly, please." This is how confident speakers talk.
Here's a simple daily practice formula. Learn 5 sentences. Speak them aloud. Use them the same day. That's it. No pressure.
Remember, fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about clarity and confidence. Small steps every day equals big results.
If you use daily English sentences, you won't be scared of conversations anymore.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be understood.
If this video helped you, like this video. Comment, "I will speak English daily," and subscribe to English Dominator for daily English practice.
See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Bye!